The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. This is a basket, an example of craftwork, and represents the theme labour. Basket making is one of the oldest and most varied crafts in Welsh history. During the Iron Age, many man-made items consisted of things that were woven. The style used to construct this basket is known as lipwork. Rather than hay, straw is used in this method. The straw is carefully and tightly wrapped to form a long coil or rope. These coils are bound with bramble bark, hollowed out. This style is very different to the more popular, well-known craft of basket weaving. With a little more work, much larger baskets and even chairs can be made in this way. Until relatively recently, this tradition and craft was continued solely by a gentleman named Mr. Ben Evans of Brynllys, Bwlch in Ceredigion. The basket most likely dates back to the 19th century, although according to curators at Carmarthen Museum, it may be even older than this, and had many uses, including carrying linen. Marc Rees, the artist behind Tir Sir Gâr, comments that this basket has a very delicate image compared to many of the other objects chosen to represent the project. The basket has very strong agricultural associations and a very clear connection to the land.